Hello friends, hope you guys are good. Hope mko fiti. So as always, you know how we do it. So this is Marsha Creatives, the home of creative tech, and this is lesson 3 of our Photoshop crash course. And so last class was all about creating backgrounds, and on this class, that is creating a artboard background. That is your artwork, the background of your artwork that you're going to design. That was all about in our previous class. That is lesson 2. So in lesson 3, we are going to learn on how to import images into our artwork. That is, if maybe you need to import a logo or you need to import any image into your artboard. So that is all about today. So before we dive in, you know how we do it. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, Yeah, usisahau kuhit your like button, manze. That like button, that subscribe button is the only thing you can give me, So here I have my Photoshop open. So let me locate our previous file. So again, you are going to learn how to open a file that you recently opened. If it's not appearing here, just click on open. That is if you saved the file. So for me, I'm going to locate it. So open. I saved it somewhere here, right here on my YouTube, and I saved it, I think, crash course. Yeah, that's it. Double click and boom. Yeah, this is the background we had created last time, guys, and this background was pretty nice. We got let me just do a very quick we drew a rectangle, this one here. Let me toggle the visibility. Yeah, we drew this rectangle, then we gave it a gradient. So if you need your gradient, just come here and pick one. That for us last time we picked this, the orange and the yellow like gradient. Then now we brought in our image. That was now another background that we copied from the browser. Then we just pasted it here and scaled it up so that it fits our artboard. Then what we did, we just came to blend mode right here and gave it linear light. Linear light, where's linear light? Right here. But you can pick any that you feel works nice for you. Yeah. So for me last time I had chosen linear light, and I loved how it was looking, and that's it. So on today's video, as I have said, today is all about importing images. So maybe if you have a logo, ensure the logo is a PNG, or if it's not a PNG, then you should have the ability to mask images. I'm going to show that later, how to mask images, maybe in our next lesson. So today, how to import images into Photoshop. So how do you do that? Just come to File, then locate Place Embedded right here. Place Embedded. Click on that. Then now just locate where your image is. That is, if maybe you downloaded your image, you'll find it on your downloads. If maybe you have it somewhere on your files in your machine, just locate where the image is. So for me, let me just expand that. I just want to get an image that we're going to work with. So let me say this is my image. And if you just double click, you have your image. Then now you can scale it up and down. Always, if you go back to your move tool, now you can, let me undo that. Control Z on your keyboard. Click on it. As you can see, this is the layer. Then now you can drag it around here as much as you want. So for me, the image it's transparent. It's a PNG, so it has no background. That is where you can see it's appearing the way it's appearing. So let's bring another image. So File, Place Embedded. Then let's get an image that does not have a background. As in that one that has a background. So let me say I'm bringing the photo of this. Let me get one really fast. One that we are going to work with that has a background. Seems all my images are PNGs right here, but I'm sure we can get one that has. Okay, let me bring this. Yeah, so as you can see, that has it has a background. This is an image of a website that I had designed. So yeah, as you can see, so that is how you just bring images into Photoshop. So guys, about bringing images into Photoshop, that is how you just come to File, Place Embedded, and boom, you have your image on your artboard. Then now you can use these corners to scale it up and down like that. Then always go back to your move tool. Then now you can click and drag it and position it. In case you are clicking on your image and you do not have these handles, just come on top here. Just go back to your move tool, click on the image, then right here ensure you have this checked. As you can see, if it's not checked, yes, but I do not have the handles, so I cannot transform the image. I cannot scale it up or down. So ensure you have show transform. It's checked, then now you can scale up and down. Or another thing you can do, let me go back here, click on that. You can use Control T on your keyboard. As you can see, Control T also brings these handles, but I would advise you just ensure it's just toggled on right like that for easy navigation and scaling up and down of your images. So guys, that's it for today. Ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative content. See you in the next video. Boom.